We love challenges, and print is our passion. But we are not only a pure printing company. We deliver your supply chain, warehousing, fulfillment, and e-commerce. Elanders is a big company, but our DNA is print on demand, anywhere, anytime, and all over the world. We have a great team and a completely digital mindset in the whole company. HP fits perfect for this. We have both indigo presses and page whites. And that's the big advantage. We have the perfect setup. We can print everything, and we are not limited. The two platforms work seamlessly together. But we only can offer our customer what our partners offer to us. Of course, one thing is the quality. HP is still the benchmark. But especially in these times, it's also that you know how fast can your partner solve your problems. And that's the reason why we trust, and that's the reason why we choose HP.
This trust and the collaboration and the spirit between both of our organizations has been built over years, and for me it's second to none. They experiment with us and they are willing to take risks, and this is why we have been growing together for decades now.
The big word for us is currently mass customization. We see a big trend to different personalized products on demand. That's the reason why we develop every day new products where customer can send a lot of emotions, a lot of stories, and deliver them just in time, 24 hours a day, 7 days a week. Managing thousands of different jobs per day is easy for us with this setup. The HP portfolio is amazing. We believe in the latest HP innovations, and we trust in the quality, but especially we trust in the company and the people. It's a partnership.